In today's video, you will learn how to make a watercress syrup to alleviate coughs and colds. Syrups are undoubtedly one of the best medicines to alleviate respiratory issues, especially the natural ones that can be made at home, right? We already taught on our channel some recipes that you can see by clicking on the suggested video. Syrups have expectorating properties that help eliminate the secretions in the airways, besides offering nutrients that the body needs to strengthen the immune system. So in today's video, you will learn how to make a watercress syrup full of properties that will help treat coughs, colds, and the flu. Have you ever tried watercress? Do you use watercress in your dishes? A source of vitamins A, C, B3, and E, copper, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and iodine. Watercress is rich in nutrients that work as natural medicines that prevent many health issues. Did you know that? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Watercress syrup helps detox the lungs thanks to its decongestant, expectorating, and fluidifying actions. It also helps to lubricate the lungs, which alleviates coughs, sore throats, and inflammation in the upper airways. Amazing, isn't it? Write down the ingredients. 1 bunch of watercress stalks and leaves, thoroughly washed. 1 cup water. 1 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon honey. Directions: bring the water to a boil. Once it boils, turn off the heat, add the watercress, and close the lid. Let it infuse for 15 minutes. Then strain and add sugar. Bring it back to low heat and cook until it becomes a thick syrup. Stir frequently over lower heat to prevent it from burning or sticking to the bottom of your pot. Let the syrup sit for 2 hours with the pot closed. After that, add the honey, stir, and store the syrup in a sterilized glass jar with a lid. It is recommended to take 1 tablespoon of this syrup 3 times a day. Although it is natural, you must consult with a health professional. The symptoms prevented by this syrup may have different causes, such as allergies, infections, or viruses. If you have a fever, malaise, green phlegm, or shortness of breath, it may be a serious issue that requires medical orientation. Try this recipe and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.